Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install SteamCMD, which is Steam tool for hosting dedicated server. It is very easy to use, and I'm going to walk you through the basic steps of getting it installed and then picking a game that you want to host a dedicated server. First, you need to download SteamCMD. Go to Google, type in SteamCMD. It's going to be this file link right there. Click on this link, valsoftware.com, and then on the top you want to click on Windows. If you using Windows, you are going to see it at the very top option right there. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click on Windows, and to download it, download SteamCMD for Windows. Click here at this icon to download it. Okay, now we extract it to somewhere that has a lot of room. For me, I'm going to extract to the new folder file. Okay, now we open that folder. Now we run SteamCMD. It's going to open another command prompt for you. It's going to download all the files that needs to execute SteamCMD, so you can see it doing it right now. It really depends on your internet connection. It could take a little bit of time. When it stops at a prompt like this, you need to type exit. Now we open a SteamCMD again. And now when you look at the same folder, you can see all the files that you downloaded. There are basic files that for SteamCMD. Now all you have to do is launch SteamCMD again. For most games, you can log in anonymous. It's going to log you in. Now for some games where they require you actually own the game, it's going to say you don't have a subscription. If you don't, you're going to have to log in with your actual Steam ID. So you type in login and space and type in your Steam ID, actual Steam ID. Then hit enter, and then it will ask you for the password. Type in your password. If you're using login anonymous and encounter no subscription file message, that means that you need to log in into an account that actually owns the game to host server. Once you log in, it's time to download the game server. Head over to steamdb.info for the server's information. Now I'm going to open steamdb.info, and you can search for the game here. For example, it's Power dedicated server. Here, open it, and you need the app ID. Copy it and go back to your prompt. Okay, now you type in app underscore update space and paste the app ID here, space validate. It's going to take a little bit of time, depends on the server file size and your internet speed. Then when you see success app fully installed, type in exit, enter. Now go back to the folder that you install everything. Open it, look for Steam apps folder. Comment. You are going to see the server we just downloaded, like Power here, Power server. It depends on the game server how to run it. Sometimes you need the .bat file to run the server, and you have to do your research how to run the server. And that's it. Thank you for watching.